Matthew from Mattchatt here. Just thought I'd give you a quick update. Not much has happened in the past couple of weeks, although unless you're a Hololens fan, Microsoft unveiled the new Hololens 2 at Mobile World Conference. The new Hololens 2 is pretty cool. It's got some nice new features. It's got a bigger field of view, but I guess you can read up about the Hololens 2. The thing where it connects to me or interests me is it uses Windows Hello iris technology to recognize the user. So as a HoloLens 2 user, you can log on to any HoloLens. So if you log on to HoloLens 2, you log on to a HoloLens 2, configure it for you, your eyes, your setup. You can then go and basically put on any other HoloLens 2 and it'll log you in with your iris, your eye recognition, and set you up. It'll be set up instantly. So that's pretty cool. Other things that were announced at Mobile World Conference in Barcelona were some foldable phones. Huawei, Samsung, LG all announced foldable phones in some form or look. So that was what was happening in the news lately. But on the EMS space, Microsoft Intune, on their What's New in Microsoft Intune page, announced on the 25th of Feb the Intune PowerShell module. So the Intune PowerShell module provides support for the Intune API through Microsoft Graph, now available in the Microsoft PowerShell gallery. So you can basically install the PowerShell module from the PowerShell gallery, and then basically I think this is useful for Intune admins for automation and scripted configuration. So basically I see a use for it, for example, when setting up Intune for the first time at clients. As a consultant, I would create PowerShell scripts to create compliance policies, configuration policies, app protection policies, and even upload line of business apps and assign it to AAD groups. So have a look, check out the examples. They've got a GitHub repository, the Intune PowerShell SDK GitHub repo. Check out some of the examples and scenarios that they talk about there. And then I also heard about Azure Sentinel. So Azure Sentinel is a SIEM, which is a security information and event manager, but it's a cloud-born or cloud-native SIEM platform that uses built-in AI to help analyze large volumes of data across an enterprise. Basically, it imports data from Azure AD, Office 365, across all sorts of platforms or services or sources, applications, servers, users, you name it, and will let you know of reasons for security breaches or security information. And so I think it's quite useful. So have a look at the Azure Sentinel. That's pretty cool. And then the other really exciting thing for me, based in Cape Town in South Africa, is Microsoft yesterday on the 6th of March officially launched the first data centers in Africa with general availability of Azure. So this is big. This is big for us in South Africa, and it's big for Microsoft and big for Azure. The launch of these regions marks a major milestone for Microsoft as we open our first enterprise-grade data centers in Africa, becoming the first global provider to deliver cloud services from data centers on the continent. The new regions provide the latest examples of our ongoing investment to help enable digital transformation and advanced technologies such as AI, cloud, and edge computing across Africa. So that's just an excerpt from Microsoft's blog. Check out the blog. There's Tom Keane, Corporate Vice President, Azure Global, speaking about the launch of the 2 new data centers in South Africa. South Africa North, which is in Johannesburg, and South Africa West, which is in Cape Town. So this is super exciting for us. We now have local data centers in South Africa, and not only in South Africa, but within Africa, the first data centers for Microsoft. So that's my exciting news for this week. Please check out my YouTube channel and subscribe, and also check out my blog, mattchatt.co.za. Thanks for watching. Cheers.